How to make audio public in Roblox Studio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to make audio public in Roblox Studio. Without further ado, let's get started. Open a web browser, navigate to search bar and type in roblox.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you log into your account. Now navigate to the create icon at top right corner and click on it. Proceed by clicking on dashboard. Now select Development Items at top right. Under Development Items, select Audio. And now click on Upload Asset. You can easily choose your audio file. Ensure your file meets the requirement like less than 7 minutes, max size 20 MB, and you need to name your audio, add a description and click on Upload button. Now you can easily provide the file name here and click on Open button. Or you can easily locate your file. Now you need to wait for a while until it gets uploaded. Now you need to simply navigate to Roblox, so you can easily scroll down and go to roblox.com. Navigate to 3-bar menu icon at top left corner. Scroll down and look for inventory. Select that. And now you need to navigate to audio. On this section, you simply need to click on your uploaded file. And then you need to navigate to the 3 dots at top right corner of your screen and then click on Configure Asset. And here you need to simply scroll down and look for the public option. So currently Roblox doesn't allow making audio public, but you can try again later. So by following this steps, you can successfully make your audio public in Roblox Studio. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.